Ready to unlock the secret behind speeding up your metabolism? Using foods you'd never expect? Forget the typical advice. I'm about to share weird but powerful foods that actually help you burn more calories and keep your energy high. No matter your age. You've been told green tea and small meals will do the trick, but those won't cut it. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing the science-backed truth that'll blow those myths out of the water and get your metabolism into high gear like never before. Stay with me until the end, because I'll be busting some of the biggest myths about foods you've been told speed up your metabolism. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's start with kimchi. Yep, fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and even kombucha are powerhouses for your gut, thanks to their high probiotic content. But what does that have to do with metabolism? Well, a study in Nature showed that gut health is closely linked to how well your body regulates weight. Probiotics help manage fat storage and even influence how much energy you pull from food. Crazy, right? Now, if you're into spicy foods, let's talk cayenne pepper. Capsaicin, the compound that gives it its heat, has been proven to raise your body's temperature, leading to a temporary boost in metabolism. Research out of Purdue University found that red pepper increases the feeling of fullness and calorie burn. And here's the kicker. It can spike your metabolism by up to 25% after eating. Talk about heat. Next up, seaweed. It's rich in iodine, and your thyroid needs iodine to function properly. Why does that matter? Because your thyroid regulates metabolism, and without enough iodine, your metabolism might slow down. In fact, a study in Endocrine Reviews linked iodine deficiency to weight gain and sluggish metabolism. So, if you're missing this vital nutrient, it's time to rethink your iodine intake. And here's a wild one: durian fruit. Love it or hate it, this fruit is loaded with fiber and healthy fats, both of which help convert food into energy more efficiently. The Journal of Nutrition highlighted how durian's fiber content helps regulate blood sugar, keeping hunger at bay and your energy levels stable. Ever heard of the metabolism benefits of beets? They're rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. This makes your workouts more efficient, and according to a study in the Journal of Applied Physiology, beet juice supplementation improved exercise performance by up to 16%, meaning more calories burned during your workouts. Let's not forget sardines. These little fish are packed with omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, both crucial for a healthy metabolism. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate omega-3-rich foods like sardines saw reduced inflammation markers and better insulin response. Pickles, anyone? The acetic acid in pickled veggies helps boost metabolism by encouraging fat breakdown. A study in bioscience, biotechnology, and biochemistry showed that daily acetic acid intake led to reduced abdominal fat. So, those tangy pickles you love might be doing more than just adding crunch to your sandwich. Don't sleep on eggplant. This high-fiber, low-calorie veggie can help slow the absorption of carbs and fats, preventing spikes in blood sugar. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry revealed that eggplant extract improved cholesterol levels and antioxidant status, showing its potential to support metabolic health. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty. Loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3s, chia seeds help regulate blood sugar and fat metabolism. The Journal of Nutrition highlighted their role in improving blood sugar control and lipid profiles, contributing to better metabolic health. And finally, cacao. Yes, chocolate. Raw cacao is loaded with magnesium, a mineral essential for over 300 metabolic processes, including fat metabolism and energy production. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that magnesium supplementation helped improve metabolic rates in people with deficiencies. So, that dark chocolate might just be your new metabolism-boosting treat. Stick around, because we're just getting started. In future videos, we'll dive even deeper into what you can do to keep your metabolism firing on all cylinders, no matter your age. Enjoying the video? Give it a like. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe for more health tips and diet advice. Let's keep going. Now, let's clear up a few things. Green tea is often touted as a metabolism booster. But does it really do the job? While it does have a mild thermogenic effect, research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows it only increases your energy expenditure by about 3 to 4%. That's just 60 to 80 extra calories a day. Barely a dent. What about saunas? The idea that sweating boosts metabolism is tempting, but it's mostly water weight you're losing, not fat. According to research from the Journal of the American Medical Association, while saunas increase heart rate and circulation, they don't meaningfully impact your metabolic rate. Once you rehydrate, any lost weight is regained. And cold baths? The thought of boosting metabolism by shivering sounds rough, right? While cold exposure can activate brown fat, a study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation shows the calorie burn is modest and not enough for long-term weight loss. Finally, meal frequency. The idea that eating 6 to 10 small meals a day stokes your metabolic fire is a myth. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed no significant difference in metabolism between eating 3 meals or 6. What matters is total caloric intake, not how often you eat. So, what's the takeaway? It's not about gimmicks. It's about understanding how your body really works. Thanks for sticking with me today. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who's also on their health journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on upcoming tips and strategies. Let's keep moving forward together. See you in the next one.